In this lecture, you will manage the navigation through different pages. So we have already the main page, which is also the welcome page or the index page. And on this page, you have the list of articles. And what you want now is to add links, to click on it, and to go to the article to see more about it. So first, you're going to add links here. So a link is a href. That is the double quote. So we're going to put here single quotes. Okay, we have a link, but the links redirect to nothing. So we need to add a target here. So it will be index.php, and we need to tell index.php to display the article. You're going to pass a value to the script, article value, for example, equals, and you're going to give the title. First, we're going to replace that. The key is the title. In fact, titles are articles because it contains titles and previews. We're going to rename. It's another bulletproof principle to give variables meaningful names. In the array articles, we have title, and for each title, we have a preview. Okay. Now we can see it. Here we have some things to fix. Like here, we must put single quotes here too. And define back here, yeah, sure, it's changed. Okay, now we have the values. So let's start over. For each link, we want to tell index.php which article we want to be displayed. So article value will be the title. We can remove that, and here preview. Okay, what do we have? Okay, I'm going to remove to that. Okay, title number 1, this is article 1 preview. And you can see now that when you click here, article value with the value title, so the space, but it's a space encoded in HTML. So it's %20. So in index.php, how do you get the value? You use the PHP array get. So you want to get this value. If we refresh, you can see we get the value. With this value, we want to display the article content, the full article. So we need to ask the database the full article. So article content would be get article. We need an ID here, article ID, which will be this value. And we need to define this function into the database. Okay. Okay. So we need to create a new array with, instead of previews, we want content. Okay. This is the story of etc. We can keep that, and here you return only, and here you return only the value you are interested in. You remember you need to test if it exists. So if array key exists, so it would be ID in this array. If exists, you return the value, and if not, else, you return an empty string. Okay. So we have the article content, and we need to display it. Display article. And you know what's going to happen. Gonna create the function here. Gonna take that, in a paragraph, echo $article, and maybe add the title of the article. Gonna put this here. And just before the title, and here we pass also the title, which is for now the ID. Okay, so 29 we have error. Of course, preview is not defined, it is content. Okay, it works because the page is refreshed with this URL, but if we use the root, we have an error because article value is not defined. So we need here first to test that this value is there or not. Enter a new PHP function, which is set. So if set article value, we get it. We're gonna do that here, and else, if the value is not defined, we display the welcome page. and we're going to rename that display welcome page. And here article page. Should be okay. Okay, index. We have the article list. It's article 1. It's okay. If we test 3, it's good. You know now how to get a value from the address. One of the important things is that the values from the address can be modified by the user, hence a pirate. So, another bulletproof principle is never trust data inputs, especially users' one. Then you must test any values that are coming in your code, in this case with $get. It's also the same with your functions. Here you get an ID, and you must be sure that, before using it, it has a meaningful value. That's all for now. See you in the next lecture.